Hey there beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 natural ways to cultivate your inner beauty essentials. First off, it's important to practice self-care. Whether it's taking a relaxing bath, meditating, or treating yourself to a spa day, make sure to prioritize your well-being and nourish your soul. Next, surround yourself with positivity. This could mean spending time with loved ones, engaging in activities that bring you joy, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the beauty around you. Remember, true beauty comes from within. By practicing self-love, positivity, and gratitude, you can cultivate your inner beauty essentials and shine from the inside out. So go ahead, embrace your unique beauty, and let your light shine bright. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey there! Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen prepping meals for the week? Well, I've got some tips to help you transform your meal prep routine and make it more efficient and enjoyable. First off, plan your meals ahead of time. Sit down and make a menu for the week, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This will not only save you time during the week, but also prevent you from making unhealthy last-minute choices. Next, invest in good quality storage containers. Having the right containers can make a huge difference in keeping your food fresh and organized. Look for containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe for easy reheating and cleaning. By following these simple tips, you can transform your meal prep routine and make it a stress-free experience. So, go ahead and give it a try. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, meal prep doesn't have to be a chore. With a little planning and organization, you can make it a fun and rewarding part of your week. Happy cooking!
Hey there, beautiful! Today, I'm here to debunk 5 common dermatology myths that may be standing in the way of your clear skin goals. Myth number 1, you have to wash your face multiple times a day to prevent breakouts. In reality, overwashing can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Stick to washing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. Myth number 2, sunscreen is only necessary on sunny days. UV rays can penetrate through clouds and windows, so it's important to wear sunscreen daily to protect your skin from premature aging and skin cancer. Remember, skincare is not one size fits all. Consult with a dermatologist to create a personalized routine that works for your unique skin type and concerns. Clear skin is possible with the right knowledge and products. Stay informed and you'll be on your way to a radiant complexion in no time. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to debunking myths and embracing the skin you're in. Cheers to clearer skin ahead.
Hey there, beauties! Today, I'm here to share with you 5 essential dermatology tips for healthy skin. First and foremost, always wear sunscreen. This is crucial in protecting your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and even skin cancer. Make sure to choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Next, cleanse your skin daily. Washing your face helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Opt for a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Keeping your skin hydrated is key to maintaining a healthy complexion. Look for a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type and apply it daily. Don't forget to exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. Just be sure not to overdo it, as this can irritate your skin. Remember, taking care of your skin is an act of self-love. Follow these dermatology tips to achieve healthy, glowing skin that you deserve. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to a lifetime of beautiful skin. 2 hearts.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm going to share some quick and easy ways to achieve a flawless skin tone. First up, make sure to exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Using a gentle exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week can make a huge difference in the texture and tone of your skin. Next, don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your skin glowing from within. And finally, treat your skin to a nourishing face